Are you tired of Excel spreadsheets, long checklists, and unresolved nonconformities? Meet Inspectle Food, the first ever inspection app tailored for the food industry. Perfect for quality managers, quality specialists, plant managers, and shift supervisors in the food or food packaging industry. Inspectle Food allows you to register nonconformities by simply taking photos of issues and recording them. Hygiene inspections are now fully automated, allowing you to achieve a higher BRC grade and saving you up to 400 work hours annually. Our app can also generate automatic reports, providing a comprehensive overview of inspected areas and status of all nonconformities in one place. Through statistics, you are also able to view the performance of the whole factory and the different departments. The benefits are endless, with our customers having less waste, less customer complaints, and saving an average of 2,200 euros per month. Interested? Don't miss out. Book a demo call on our website today.